Take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida. You can also add 1 cup of wheat flour instead of maida. Add half cup of curd. You can also add yogurt. Add 1/4 spoon salt. Half tablespoon baking powder. 1/4 spoon baking soda. Mix the mixture well until you get a soft dough. The dough is ready. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. By this time, let us make pizza sauce ready. Take 4 tomatoes and cut it into mark at the top. Now I am going to boil these tomatoes to make red sauce. Boil these tomatoes for 5 minutes. Do not place the lid while you are boiling the tomatoes. Keep the flame on high. After 5 minutes, the tomatoes have boiled completely. Now turn off the flame. Take out these tomatoes and place on a plate. Now peel off the skin completely. Now blend these tomatoes to get tomato puree. The tomato puree is ready now. Place a pan and add 2 spoons of ghee. Add half onion which is finely chopped. Saute it until it turns golden brown. Put it on low flame and add tomato puree. Stir the. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic and half tablespoon chopped basil leaves. Stir the mixture well. Now add chili flakes. Our pizza sauce is ready now. Let's make white sauce. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. 2 spoons of maida and stir well. Add 1/4 cup milk on low flame. Keep on stirring the mixture such that there will be no lumps. Now switch off the flame and add 1 cup of water. Mix this well until there are no lumps. Once there are no lumps, turn on the flame and keep it on low. Add 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Stir the mixture well. Once you get this thick consistency, turn off the flame. Our white sauce is ready. Put some oil on the dough and mix it well. Take some maida, now roll the dough to make the pizza base. Don't make it as thin as chapati. This should be thick. Take a steel plate and brush it with oil. Apply oil thoroughly on the plate completely. Now place the pizza base on the plate and spread it with help of your fingers. Take a fork and prick the pizza base well. By doing this, the base will cook well. Now add red sauce. Spread it evenly on the dough. If you are having tomato ketchup, you can use it as red sauce by adding some chili flakes in the tomato ketchup. Now spread a layer of white sauce. This white sauce will act as cheese. Spread it evenly. If you are cheese lover, you can add more white sauce. I have chopped onions and tomatoes into thin slices and I am topping the pizza with onions and tomatoes only. You can add any other vegetables like capsicum. If you are having sweet corn, you can add corn as well and paneer also. Place a pan with salt and aluminium plate on low flame and preheat it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, place the pizza in it. Add some chili flakes. If you're having oregano, you can add it as well. After adding, close it with lid and let it bake on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, my veg pizza is ready. It is perfectly baked